Snow is in the forecast for the next 48 hours in Greater Tokyo area. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Let's see what's gonna happen. Did you see that?
It's like, I saw like 2 white dots in the sky and that's it.
I know, me too, but I was like, oh my goodness, I think it might be starting.
The Ryder family loves snow, maybe a little too much.
We got a few flurries. I mean, just like little dots floating down.
Gotta heat up my tea.
Is Mama-chan ready for some snow, just in case?
Oh yeah.
Oh my. Freaky, freaky. I don't know if you can see that. Little dots of snow coming down. Little dots of snow are falling. Well, somebody wanted some coffee. Who indeed? So the request this morning, coffee. Coffee was the great request. So Becca and Anna coming with driving in our brand new Noah. Now some people have asked, oh, how's the new Noah compared to the old one?
Good. The only issue was the seats. Because that seat back there is so hard to bring forward and it's just annoying. The color. I have like crash outs just trying to figure it out. It's like,
so the seat doesn't move as well in the back when you're trying to get in. But other than that, this vehicle is amazing, wouldn't you say?
Yes.
It's smooth, it's quiet, it's
like
powerful.
20 more cup holders.
The computer is amazing in it.
The chargers everywhere.
It drives itself. That's an incredible feature. So, and it's got butt warmers in the front. Oh
mine's already on
boy,
high.
that's where it's at. All right, coffee ladies.
No butt warmers for me.
Nope, sorry, you're just gonna have to use friction to get it going. You'll have a ride.
Starbucks. You're at Starbucks. My coffee come to mama. Hi, honey.
What are you girls ordering?
Oh no.
Hi. Caramel macchiato, toru, hotto. 2つ。はい、以上です。
以上でかしこまりました。ありがとうございます。前でお待ちしています。お気をつけてお進みください。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
That was like the smoothest Starbucks driving we've ever done in our lives.
Did you hear Papa's Japanese?
Yes, it's getting better. I approve. Wait, where's the camera? I approve. I'm gonna make it like it's not obvious I'm taking video of them. Because it's awkward. Social anxiety.
Real life struggles of YouTubers.
Like right here on my lap. No one will ever notice.
Hi, こんにちは。おはようございますね。ありがとうございます。はい。じゃあ、良い一日を。はい。
My coffee. That are you Japanese? It's getting like low-key better.
Well, the snow has started, but it really makes me wonder, how long is it gonna snow? And will it accumulate? That would really be something. Welcome to Production Central here. This is it. Life in Japan, music production, all kinds of work gets done here. My setup here is literally years in the making, but if I could go back 20 years and show my younger self a picture of what I would have later, it would sure be motivational. Let me tell you what, you never know where life will take you. We're watching the perfect snowy weather movie.
It's been like a year since we watched this. Or 2.
Whoa, look at my lunch, Mama-chan. Whoa. Whoa. What's the word?
Snowing. A lot.
A lot? It's getting more and more crazy. Oh my, it sure is.
Okay, I got one.
Sarah's like, I gotta get me some of this. Whoa!
It smells like snow.
It does smell like snow. This is what you do on a snowy day, but look at this puzzle. So hard. It is like micro pieces.
I know. What did I get myself into?
I don't know how.
We've got our hopes up for snow in Tokyo before and almost always been disappointed. Will this time be different?
Well, the snow stopped a while ago, much to the dismay of all of the writers. But I will say this, there's a ton of snow still in the forecast, so there's a good chance it's gonna come back. But for right now, I'm gonna take advantage of this moment with no snow and head out while I still can. Well, it's not snowing. Sure looks like it could, but it's not.
Watching the sky, waiting for snow to fall, is like watching water come to a boil on a stove. If you stand there looking at it, it seems like it takes all the longer to come to a boil. Perhaps I should cut my losses and abandon the idea of a beautiful blanket of snow across this lovely city.
The truth is, it actually doesn't look like snow at all. But I know because of that forecast, it could really dump tonight. So I'm very interested to see what happens when we wake up tomorrow. And I gotta get to Pa's coffee shop early in the morning. Is there gonna be tons of snow? What's the condition gonna be like? Well, it's just starting to happen again. Now we're gonna see if this goes all night. We could wake up to something very interesting.
The next morning, we would find what our hearts desired.
On a day like today, coffee is more important than ever. It's cold in here. Oh my. Wow. Whoa. It is slick out. Oh my goodness. Our tile is very slick. Let me put this down for a moment so I can walk. It is chilly out. It feels like a ski resort up in the mountains. This is nuts. At least the road does not feel slippery. It's got a little bit of snow on it, but it's not icy from what I can tell. I'm still walking very carefully though.
Careful, that's very slippery, Daddy said. Go, look at the chairs. Leave it all pretty though so everyone can see it. It's so cold, dude. Come in. I have to take Daddy to church in a little bit. Oh.
This right here is absolutely wild. Let me tell you what. I would go explore more, except I already have an appointment this morning at Pa's coffee shop. Pa's church is going on. I'm on keys, I'm helping things out, and I gotta make my way there now. So here we go. Dude, I missed you getting up. Did you see outside? Did you go outside? What did you think?
Cray cray.
Cray cray. Pretty awesome. We finally got snow. Yeah. The view from our window here.
It's crazy, Anna.
It's amazing how a thin blanket of snow can change everything.
Anna's up. Gonna check it out, Anna. It happened. It finally happened.
Oh, it still snows.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to snow today more, I think. How big will it get, I wonder?
What the heck? Lily in America. No, this is like crazy. It hasn't snowed this much in 100 million years. Yo,
Isn't that awesome?
snowman.
It's not done snowing either. It's supposed to snow more today. All right, and the snow is happening again. I got my waterproof boots on today. So glad for them. Look at my chauffeur today. Well, all right. 5 years in Oklahoma, 3 years in Illinois prepared you for this, huh?
Snow in Tokyo.
Snow in Tokyo. Here we go. It's a little bit slick.
Yeah. There's no traction.
Well, we did experience a lot of snow when we lived in the States, and you do get used to driving in it. All the roads are treated with salt or some sort of agent to help it to keep from freezing. But here, it doesn't really happen, so you just have to be extra careful.
Oh, so beautiful.
Our old bridge we used to look at all the time. How's it feel here?
Here feels fine. It's more when I come to a complete stop and then my tires.
Well, here's my departure point. Pa's Coffee Shop. It looks nice and warm inside. Oh yeah, here's the view coming in this morning. It's nice in here.
Showing up on a snowy day takes extra work and precaution, but the team was there.
Oh my goodness. What in the world? Isn't this crazy?
Look at all my footprints that we made coming back.
All the footprints, I know. My goodness. Just careful, don't get too close to the road, okay?
Today, we got 8 scheduled for the 1 p.m. For the 10 p.m. 3. And for the 4 p.m. we got 20. I'm just kidding.
The contrast of the cool snow falling outside and the warmth of the coffee shop inside was almost surreal, like a movie set perfectly prepared for filming. Everything became more picturesque, and it made the day even more special. Normally I would go out filming on a day like today, but with services all day long, I'll leave the fun in the snow to the kids.
Back home after an awesome but long day at church, and what do I find here in our yard? Check this out. Snowman. Oh yeah, a snowman to welcome people here.